Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Bahrain in the Remitly app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go to the manage menu, then we tap on sending to under account details, and here we tap on Bahrain. Then after the app loads, when we tap on send, we will be able to send money to Bahrain just by simply typing in the amount here at the top, then reviewing the transfer fees, and then tapping continue, and afterwards entering the card or bank account details that through which we can pay. That's basically it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.